Hello everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. I want to thank you for joining us and hope you're enjoying the cocktails. I hope that you've already subscribed to us. If you haven't, please at the end of the video hit the subscribe button, and that way you're sure to find out when we're making a new cocktail and something else that you can enjoy. The weather outside is starting to get a little bit warmer. Things are almost starting to turn green. People start to feel that spring fever. I know I'm starting to feel it, and that also happens to be the name of the cocktail that we're making today, Spring Fever. So let's get pouring. We are going to start with 1 ounce of Empress gin. And that's going in our glass. The next ingredient, and I want you to watch as we pour this, is freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to use 3/4 ounce of the lemon juice. Now, when you put that lemon juice in there, the acid interacts and we start to see a really nice change in color with the cocktail itself. Third ingredient there is honey syrup. It's equal parts of honey and water. That's going to go in our cocktail. Next, what we're going to do is get a large piece of ice. That's going to go in our shaker. And we're going to give this a good shake to chill. Now, the reason we're using 1 large ice cube is that it chills the cocktail down, and it also keeps it from diluting. We're almost there. Now we have to get our glass ready. So we are going to take our glass. We're going to fill it with crushed ice. And we're going to add 1 slice of fresh lemon, and that's going to go on the side of the cocktail. Now we can strain that cocktail into the glass. And then what we're going to do is put about 3 ounces of grapefruit soda in there. Almost done. 1 last touch. We're going to give this a quick stir, mix it up a little bit, and then we're going to add 1 more ounce of Empress gin, and we're going to pour that in there slowly. We're going to float it on the top. And there you have a spring fever. And
oh, that looks so good. That's good.
You like that?
Yes, that's very good. Low calorie too.
If you're looking for low calorie and a springtime cocktail, enjoy everyone.